We really appreciate each and every one of you. And I think near Naguma VDs will, because some VDs are the very important area of Mkonto Season. We will be advising you, Comrade Pumpkin, from where I'm working, somewhere else next door, because I'm also deployed in Mpumalanga province. It's a very big province. But our VDs are very important. Kumele organize our VDs, sazi ukuthi ama VDs wethu asebenza kanjani, because Mkonto Season is a VD-based organization. Istrength sethu silapha phansi ebantwini, because you must know how many people are going to vote for Mkonto Season on the VD level. Says how many houses are here and support us, not only necessarily the members of Mkonto Season that will vote for Mkonto Season, but the most important thing is to conduct here to the people out there, Spartan, especially when you're wearing this regalia. Because you'll see, people will be greeting you, people will be happy with yourselves. The people of South Africa love this organization. We will be having the National High Command meeting from Thursday this week. This week is here. And I hope Uchi provincial is also represented. Comrade Zugisi, the comrade convener, will be there in that meeting. And they'll be giving you feedback through our structures of what decisions have been taken by the National High Command. Comrade Zugisi, I think that one is very important. You must stress that one. We cannot have meetings of the National High Command, our comrades, angas, what has been decided up there. When we meet as National High Command, you are there. I would expect with our comrades ask what decisions have been taken up there. And now when Abashangan on the ground, our VDs, kumele escalate up there with what are the issues of the membership. Because once you don't know what the top and the bottom is happening in the organization, you lose it. Yes. We must not be arrogant. I'll tell you something secret, Comrade Pumpkin. The comrades are complaining about the way we are constituting our structures. Yes. I would advise you what we did in Mpumalanga. In check, it's secret. Yes. Yes. We constituted everybody, members of Mkonto Season. We said to the comrades, Pagatwen, electani leadership. Sure. Where my comrades are promises, our comrades say, what 96? Sit got 96, appointan leadership here hot. Appointan leadership here VT. Basali Makonen, what 95 ganjalo. Our comrades appoint their own people, they recommend them. They bring their names to you, serve as leadership. You go through this people. I'll tell you, you will not go wrong. Nina bese never veta labantu. Angibaletha abantu abayiseni funa abantu abayi40. Baletha amagama ayi8. Then we say no, lo comrade lo good ngapha, lo good ngapha. Sibe vigilant ngendaba ye gender. Kube 50-50. 50-50, no ways, no two ways. 50-50. And the young people must be represented in this organization. You understand? The young people must be represented in Mkonto Season. They are the future of this organization. So, Comrade Zugisi and Comrade Pumpkin, angeke dibe nama problems. But ubanibani ukhuluma manga kwi meeting eso what. Nina aba comrades abehlangene eso meeting. Ithi be zone 14 one side. Izana ama ward committees wenu kuma ward ubani uzoba iconvener ubani uzoba khethani nina. Commander Morning. I'm telling you, you will never go wrong. There you go. But I think once you do that, what you're saying to the people, they take ownership of the leadership. With the leadership, they appoint it. Well, Aska appoint about to what about members get here with Bafunaba. It's very important. See abuse. Women are abused as well. Commander Morning. You know what we should happen instruction some super team. Am I young lion? Am I young? But Kogi comes from Mkonto Season. Smafundi party line. Nabakhula ngale organization nabafika ku youth league. Sabayazi ukuthi sakhulisa sayingala le organization samba nawo mama bethu nabantu bethu siya